In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify Express Delivery. If you're looking to get products to your customers faster, this option can deliver in roughly 2 to 3 business days for an additional shipping cost. I'll walk you through the setup from start to finish and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, head to your Printify dashboard and sign in to your account. Having your store integrations connected beforehand will make publishing smoother, but you can connect them later if needed. Next, let's find products that support fast shipping. From the dashboard, open the catalog. In the catalog, click Filters, then select Express Delivery. This narrows the view to items that are eligible for the expedited option. You'll see an Express Delivery label on supported products. Popular examples include the Bella Plus Canvas 3001 t-shirt and the Gildan 5000 t-shirt. Availability can vary by print provider and region, so it's smart to check multiple providers for the same product to compare options. Now, create your product. Click the product you want, choose a print provider, and then select Start Designing. Upload your design file and position it where you want it to appear. For best results, use a high-resolution image, ideally with a transparent background if you need it, and make sure important elements stay within the safe print area. Preview the mockups to ensure colors and placement look right. When you're happy, save the product so your settings are stored. With the product saved, open the Product Details page. Navigate to the Shipping section and enable Express Delivery by checking the corresponding option. Take a moment to review the shipping price difference that appears. The cost varies depending on the provider and destination, so factor this into your pricing strategy or communicate it clearly to your customers. Once you've reviewed the change, save your settings. From this point on, customers will see both standard shipping and express delivery at checkout for this product, giving them a clear choice between speed and price. Finally, publish the product. Click Publish to push it to your store. If your store is already connected, the listing will appear with your chosen variants and the shipping options you just enabled. Consider updating your product description to mention express delivery availability and typical arrival times, so shoppers understand the benefit before they reach the checkout. That's it. You logged in, filtered for express eligible items, created your design, enabled express delivery, reviewed the cost, and published. Follow these steps for each item you want to offer with faster shipping, and you'll be ready to delight customers who need their orders in a hurry.